Now I am going to explain about the structure of the guitar. Hi, as I told you already, I am going to explain about a guitar. Now, in the top we have 6 tuner pledge. After the pledge we have a nut. We call it as nut. After that we have a line in between the string boards, like we call it as frets, and we call the string boards as neck. These string boards are used to place our fingers and play a song and chords or keys. We call the between the frets or fingerboards or string boards. Now coming to the middle part of the guitar, there is a hole. This hole seems to reflect the sound. We call it a sound hole. It is placed in the body of the guitar, and from the neck, means from the tuning pledge towards the down parts, we can see a bridge, which means it is the holder of the string to hold the string in tight manner. At the end of the body of the guitar there is a pin. We call this as a pin. This is the structure of guitar. When we tune the guitar by piano, we should have the sounds of piano, like the middle pitch, means the middle pitch E is string 1, and the low pitch second octave B is second string, second octave G is third string, second octave D is fourth string, first octave A is fifth string, and first octave E is sixth string. These are the tuning system of the guitar to piano or through keyboard. Hi, good wishes to everyone. This is Bharatha Kalalaya presents a guitar class, step 3. Now, first, can we have a recap on our previous lesson? Now, we are going to learn about the strings. We have 6 strings in our guitar. We should count it from the downwards. String 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5 and string 6. Each string has its own name. String 1 is represented as E, string 2 B, 3 is G, string 4 is D, string 5 is A, and string 6 is again E in low pitch. Okay, these are the open strings which is placed on guitar. Now coming to the recap section. Let's first the notes on first string E. First string, already I had told you the string 1, already I had told you in the guitar, this is string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5 and string 6. Already I had told you. Now can we have a look on string E? That means the first string from downwards. String 1, Now have a look on string E. String E is the first string in the guitar. Okay. When you place only the string E, your finger should be open. And when you play string E, the F key, the F position on string E, your index finger should be placed between the first fret and the second fret. Your finger should not be placed on the fret. It is a wrong way. So you should place your index finger on the first string between the first fret and the second fret, and you should play the string E. Now when you're going to place position G, you should place on the third string board between third fret and fourth fret with your ring finger and play the string E, means string 1. Okay, now can we have a look? String E, open finger, F position, G position, open, string E open, F position, G position. I hope you understand string E. String 2. We are going to see a recap section of string B, that is the second string. Second string of your guitar from downwards, B, the string called as B. Okay. Now have a look on the fingers. When you play string B, the finger should be open. And when you place C position on string B, it should be placed on first string board with your index finger between first fret and second fret. Now when you place D position with your ring finger, it should be placed in string board 3 between third fret and fourth fret. Now have a look. Open B, C position, D position. Open C position, D position. Okay, I hope you might understand. String 3. Now third string G. Now about third string G. Okay, when we play string G, your finger should be open. When we place A on string G, it should be placed with the help of your middle finger on second string board between second fret and third fret on string G, third string in your guitar, and play. Now have a look on it. G, open, A position, middle finger, G, open, A position, middle finger. I hope you might understand. String 4. string D, the fourth string of your guitar. Fourth string, string D. In the string D, when we play D, the finger should be open, and when we place E on string D, it should be on second string board with the help of your middle finger on fourth string between second fret and third fret. And when we place the position F in string D, that means fourth string, with the help of your ring finger, it should be placed on third string board between third fret and fourth fret. D, E position, middle finger, F position, ring finger, again D, E position, middle, F position, ring finger, fourth string, D, E position, middle finger, fourth string, F position, middle ring finger, fourth string. I hope you might understand. Please practice, keep on practicing this. String 5. Now, string A, the fifth string of the guitar. In this, our finger should be placed A open, fifth string. B should be placed with the help of the middle finger, second string board between second fret and third, and C position with the help of your ring finger, third string board between third fret and fourth fret. Okay, now A open, B middle finger, fifth string, C ring finger, fifth string, A open, middle finger B position, ring finger C position, A open, middle finger B and ring finger C. String 6. Now, can we have a look on sixth string? E. It is the first string from up to down. It is the first string, but in the guitar position we used to say this is as the sixth string. This string called as E. Can we have a look? E string. When we play E string, finger should be open. On E string, the F position, with the help of your index, should be placed on first string board between first fret and the second fret, and G position on third string board with the help of your ring finger between third fret and fourth fret. E open, F position, index, G position, ring, E open, F position, index, G position, ring. I hope you might understand all the string, that is the first string, the second string, the third string, the fourth string, the fifth string and the sixth string. These spaces we call it as string board, and these line we call it as fret. I hope you might understand.